so it's really easy to get started. Use the Ethernet cable to connect the terminal and plug the power cable into the magic box. If you have an external pin pad and it is not already connected, remove the back cover of the terminal, using both hands to push it upwards. You will see a USB connector under a protective covering. Feed the pin pad cable under the protector and into the USB slot. Fit the cable into its groove and push the protector back into place, then slide on the back cover. Plug in the power cable. When the terminal lights up and the Elavon logo is displayed, you're ready for your first transaction.